Top 12 most beneficial fruits for the elderly. Natural steps toward healthy aging. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes. Metabolism slows down, the immune system weakens, cardiovascular performance declines, bones become more fragile, and digestion becomes less efficient. That's why a healthy diet, especially one rich in fruits, plays a crucial role in maintaining well-being during old age. Fruits are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. They are not only nutritious but also safe for elderly individuals to consume regularly. Below are the top 12 fruits that are most beneficial for seniors, along with their health advantages. Number 1. Apple, a heart's best friend. Apples support cardiovascular health, regulate cholesterol levels, and stimulate digestion. Packed with fiber and antioxidants, apples help prevent heart disease. Red apples in particular are rich in flavonoids and vitamin C, essential for maintaining a strong heart. Number 2, banana, natural energy and potassium. Source bananas are high in potassium, which supports heart function, muscle performance, and the nervous system. As one of the easiest fruits to digest, bananas boost appetite, provide quick energy, and help regulate bowel movements. Number 3, cherries, natural anti-inflammatory. Fruit cherries contain anthocyanins that help reduce inflammation and ease pain. They are especially beneficial for seniors suffering from joint pain, arthritis, or gout. Cherries also naturally increase melatonin levels, improving sleep quality. Number 4, peach, skin-renewing superfruit. Rich in vitamins A and C, peaches are great for skin health and anti-aging. They keep the skin looking fresh and vibrant while providing digestive support through natural fiber content. Number 5, pomegranate, blood circulation booster. Pomegranates are known to improve blood circulation, reduce blood pressure, and prevent cardiovascular diseases. They are also rich in iron, making them excellent for combating anemia in the elderly. Number 6, watermelon, hydration and lycopene source. Watermelon helps prevent dehydration and is a strong source of lycopene, which slows down aging and supports heart and prostate health. Perfect for hot seasons, watermelon keeps the body refreshed and hydrated. Number 7, grapes, a friend to the heart and brain. Grapes contain resveratrol, an antioxidant that benefits the heart and brain. They help lower cholesterol, enhance blood circulation, and support cognitive function. Due to their sugar content, grapes should be consumed in moderation. Number 8, strawberry, immunity-boosting fruit. Strawberries are loaded with vitamin C, boosting the immune system, improving skin health, and aiding blood circulation. Their anti-inflammatory properties also help strengthen bones and joints. Number 9, citrus fruits, vitamin C powerhouses. Oranges, lemons, tangerines, and grapefruits help enhance immunity, strengthen blood vessels, and support digestion. Especially during colder months, they supply much-needed vitamin C. Caution: grapefruit may interfere with certain medications, so consultation with a doctor is advised. Number 10, blueberries and black currants, brain superfoods. These dark berries help regenerate nerve cells, improve memory, and support brain function. Their high antioxidant content reduces the risk of age-related neurological disorders. Number 11, pineapple, digestive and joint aid. Pineapple contains bromelain, which helps with digestion and reduces inflammation in joints. It also has mild diuretic properties, helping to eliminate excess fluids from the body. Number 12, dried fruits, iron and fiber rich. Dried apricots, raisins, and dates are packed with iron and fiber. They help combat fatigue, constipation, anemia, and nutrient deficiency. Just be sure to consume them in moderation due to their concentrated sugar content. Tips for consuming fruits properly: eat at least 2 or 3 different fruits daily. Choose seasonal and fresh produce whenever possible. Wash fruits thoroughly and eat them with the peel if safe. Consume sugary fruits, like bananas and grapes, in moderation. Prefer whole fruits over juice for full nutritional benefits. Conclusion: fruits are one of nature's most valuable gifts for maintaining health. For elderly individuals, they support heart, brain, bone, gut, and skin health. A daily mix of diverse fruits in the diet can boost energy, improve quality of life, and delay the effects of aging. It's a delicious and natural way to stay vibrant and healthy in the golden years. How to properly consume these fruits and what to prepare from them. A practical guide for seniors. Eating fruit daily is one of the most natural and effective ways to support the health of the elderly. However, it's important not only to choose the right fruits, but also to consume them properly and prepare them in ways that retain their nutrients and support digestion. Below is a guide on how to consume the 12 most beneficial fruits for seniors and what healthy meals, snacks, or drinks can be made from them. Apple, whole fruit, and warm stews. How to eat: always wash apples thoroughly. Whenever possible, eat them with the skin, as it contains most of the fiber and antioxidants. Preparation ideas: baked apples with cinnamon, no sugar, a warm dessert that supports digestion. Apple oatmeal porridge, perfect for breakfast, boosts energy. Fresh apple slices with peanut or almond butter, a protein-rich snack. Banana, quick energy, and smoothies. How to eat: best consumed raw, peeled, and preferably on an empty stomach in the morning or mid-morning. Preparation ideas: banana yogurt smoothies with oats, great for energy and digestion. Mashed banana with chopped nuts, a simple, nutritious snack. Banana pancakes, egg-free, flour-free, soft and easy to chew. Cherry, fresh or frozen, great for tea. How to eat: eat them fresh when in season. Off-season, frozen cherries are also beneficial. Preparation ideas: cherry compote, no sugar, helps hydrate and relieve joint inflammation. Cherry herbal tea promotes better sleep and relaxation. Add cherries to yogurt or porridge. Peach, juicy and gentle for digestion. How to eat: soft and easy to chew. Peaches can be eaten raw, peeled if needed. Preparation ideas: fresh peach salad with mint and a drizzle of honey. Peach puree for seniors with chewing difficulties. Homemade peach juice, no sugar. Pomegranate, seeds or juice. How to eat: the seeds can be eaten raw, but chewing them thoroughly is important. Preparation ideas: pomegranate juice, freshly pressed, no sugar, boosts iron levels. Sprinkle pomegranate seeds on salads for a vitamin-rich meal. Mix with yogurt for a refreshing snack. Watermelon, hydration, hero. How to eat: eat fresh and chilled during the day. Avoid consuming at night to prevent bloating. Preparation ideas: watermelon cubes as a snack. Watermelon mint smoothie, hydrating and cooling. Watermelon and cucumber salad, supports digestion. Grapes in moderation with skin. How to eat: eat grapes with the skin for full antioxidant benefits. Chew thoroughly. Preparation ideas: add to breakfast cereal or oatmeal. Grape and nut mix for a small snack. Homemade grape compote, lightly cooked, no sugar. Strawberry, immune boosting and tasty. How to eat: always wash thoroughly. Avoid overripe or moldy berries. Preparation ideas: strawberry smoothie with milk or yogurt. Add to porridge or granola. Blend into natural ice cream using banana as a base. Citrus fruits, carefully and in small amounts. How to eat: freshly squeezed juices are fine but consume in small amounts. Avoid mixing with medications, especially grapefruit. Preparation ideas: orange or lemon slices in warm water, supports immunity. Citrus salad with honey and mint. Homemade orange popsicles, 100% fruit. Blueberries, black currants, brain fuel. How to eat: eat fresh when in season. Frozen berries retain most nutrients. Preparation ideas: add to smoothies or porridge. Mix with cottage cheese or yogurt. Berry herbal teas, calming and beneficial for the brain. Pineapple, fresh or juiced in moderation. How to eat: pineapple should be eaten fresh and in small amounts due to its acidity. Preparation ideas: pineapple juice, diluted with water, supports digestion. Grilled pineapple slices can be served with oatmeal or salad. Pineapple mint water, a refreshing detox drink. Dried fruits, nutritious but use caution. How to eat: always rinse before eating. Soak in warm water for a few minutes to make them easier to digest. Preparation ideas. Soaked raisins and apricots in morning porridge. Dried fruit and nut balls, no sugar, as an energy snack. Dried apricot compote, gentle on the stomach. Helpful tips for seniors when eating fruits. 1. Always eat fruits fresh and clean. 2. Prefer whole fruits over juice to retain fiber. 3. Avoid adding sugar to fruit-based meals. 4. Soft textured fruits are better for those with dental problems. 5. Mix fruits with nuts, oats, or yogurt to balance blood sugar. 6. Eat fruits between meals or as breakfast for better digestion. 7. Avoid consuming fruit late at night. Conclusion. A healthy diet during old age starts with smart food choices, and fruits are one of the most powerful, natural tools for this. By not only choosing the right fruits, but also preparing and consuming them properly, seniors can enjoy improved digestion, better energy, and stronger immunity. Simple fruit-based meals and drinks bring both taste and health to the golden years of life.